but I want to go into those that want to live more out of life and have fitness help them in their day-to-day life, regardless of profession, regardless of age, making you feel and have the most energy you possibly can. What is going on, YouTube? My name is Tyler Rossman and you are watching Fitness with Tross. I wanted to make an introductory video explaining this channel, explaining why I created it and why I want you to be a part of it. Right now, there's so much information about training on social media, on different websites, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all these different things. We're constantly bombarded with different workouts we can do, different things we can do depending on the equipment and all that. That is awesome. However, there's not a lot of information regarding how we can string together training and exercise into living a longer life. The majority of all the information that we see here is all usually about burning fat or gaining muscle. It's all about the aesthetics of training. But there's a big side that is untouched, and that's about training for longevity, training for injury prevention, training so that you don't have as much pain during your day-to-day life. And that is why I created this channel right here. It's a functional training platform, which means that it's movements designed to help you in your day-to-day life. It's scalable so that no matter what level you are, whether you're 5 years old, 25, 55, or even 85 years old, you can perform the movements. You can adjust it to the level of your own fitness. This is about living a life where your body is stronger, you have more balance and coordination so that you can live more and worry less about your body physically. I want you to be able to experience time with your family. I want you to experience time with your kids, with your relatives, with your parents, where you're just not focusing on the pain that you're experiencing, but you're focusing on the quality of the moment that you're in. That's what training for me is about. It's not about for looking super swole with the most jacked and ripped body as possible. Is that awesome? Yeah. Is that pretty cool? Yeah. But you want to know what's better? Living longer, living a life where you're not in pain. Things like that, to me, are more important than the aesthetics of fitness. I want you to engage with me. I want you to ask questions. I want to help you in any way I can. If you have ideas, let me know. Comment below. Hit me up on any of my different sites that you can. I want you to feel like this is for you and that this is for the greater community of all of us just wanting to live a better and healthier life. It's about holistic wellness. It's about injury prevention. It's about living the best life we can with the only body we have on earth. So thank you for taking the time out of your watch. Let me know again if you have any information. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next episode.